Hey everybody, just want to update you on the blueberry jam making. I am changing the time to 11:45 my time PST, Pacific Standard Time. I'm having issues with my phone. I don't know what happened to it, but it's not loading all of my apps. It's closing apps, and I need to make sure that it's not going to stop filming right in the middle of filming. So, instead of 10:30, I know 10:30 is coming up pretty soon here. It's 10:08 right now. I'm going to be going on live at 11:45. If you can make it, that's great. I'll be here to answer any questions that you have, and you can, can along with me, make your jam, can along with me. If not, then the video will be uploaded right after the live is over. I'm really sorry for the delay. I need to make an appointment with the phone place. I know I can't get in today. I just want to make sure that this works. I don't want to have to have it stop mid-stream and then start all over again and mess you guys all up. So um, forgive me for the delay, but it's really for the best. So we get a good live and just in one video. Okay, see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, you guys, and thanks for being patient.